Good day, guys. I'll be teaching you how to install the Windows 11 on your PC, whether it is supported or not supported. The steps are very simple. So after downloading the Windows 11 setup file from Microsoft's website, all that you have to do is, so I've already downloaded the setup file. This is the setup file. With the previous video, I showed you how you can download it. So this is the setup file. So what you do is create a new folder on your desktop. Create a new folder on your desktop. So that is new folder 6. I'll delete it, so there is no need for me to rename it. I'll just use it as it is, new folder 6. So what we are going to do is we are going to extract the setup file. We are going to extract the setup file to the newly created folder. So that is it, new folder 6. I'll select that and then OK. So the files are being extracted. So let me pause the video so that I don't take much of your time. So the extraction is almost complete, about 97%. And now we are through with the extraction process. So what we are going to do is we are going to open this folder. That is the folder we created for the Windows 11. Then we move into the sources folder. The sources folder. We open that one. Then we will scroll down. We'll scroll down to where we have this file. Take note of the name. You scroll down to where you have this file. Take note of the name. And all that you do is to delete the file. So you delete that file. After deleting it, you go back. And then you run your setup. So guys, that is how you go about cracking the Windows 11. And after this, you are through. So we have the installation starting. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask. If you are finding any difficulty, you can leave a comment and I'll respond to it.